Today we will take our Earth picture test. You will see 20 illustrations concerning the Earth and its formation. You will also see 20 corresponding multiple choice questions. Please choose answer A, B, or C for each question. You may write your answers down on a piece of paper and then transfer them to the Google form, or just follow along with the Google form. Let's begin. Number 1, how do scientists know about the interior layers of the Earth? A, they drill into the Earth. B, they analyze sonar waves. Or C, they study seismic waves. Number 2, what type of rock is formed by intense heat and pressure? A, sedimentary rock. B, igneous rock. Or C, metamorphic rock. Number 3, which type of boundary is likely to form volcanoes? A, divergent boundaries. B, convergent boundaries. Or C, transform boundaries. Number 4, which of these diagrams illustrates S waves? A, B, B, or C, neither? Number 5, this picture shows an example of A, weathering, B, erosion, or C, drought. Number 6, this picture shows an example of A, weathering, B, erosion, or C, drought. Number 7, finding the same fossil on different continents is evidence of A, continental drift, B, sea floor spreading, or C, sedimentation. Number 8, the tectonic plates are formed by cracks in the A, lithosphere, B, asthenosphere, or C, outer core. Number 9, there is more coal distributed in North America than there is in Greenland. What caused this uneven distribution? A, plate tectonics. B, unfair providence. Or C, atmospheric pressure. Number 10. There is more water distributed in North America than there is in Africa. What caused this uneven distribution? A. Plate tectonics. B. Unfair providence. Or C. Atmospheric pressure. Number 11. Which of these illustrations shows weathering? A, B, or C, neither? Number 12. Why are earthquakes more likely in California than in Texas? A. California is closer to the equator. B. California is closer to the equinox. Or C. California is closer to a fault line and plate boundary. Number 30. Number 13. What layer of the Earth's mantle has convection currents? A. Lithosphere. B. Atmosphere. Or C. Asthenosphere. Number 14. Seafloor spreading, like we see at the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, proves that the Earth's crust is A. Expanding, B. Shrinking, or C. Sinking. Number 15. How long does it take groundwater to return to the surface layers? A. Seconds, minutes, hours. B. Days, weeks, months. Or C. Years, centuries, millennia. Number 16. What does this map show? A. Volcanoes form a ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean. B. Volcanoes are more common close to plate boundaries. Or C. Both. Number 17. Copper wiring is essential for the electrical grid. Why do some countries have less copper than others? A. Some countries are lazy. B. Some countries are stupid. Or C. Some countries have more copper due to plate tectonics. Number 18. Which of these lines illustrate P waves? A. The red lines. B. The blue lines. Or C. Both. Number 19. All of these are examples of metamorphic rock. They were formed by A, cooling and solidifying of magma, B, compaction and cementation, or C, heat and pressure. Number 20. All of these are examples of igneous rock. They were formed by A, cooling and solidifying of magma, B, compaction and cementation, or C, heat and pressure. This concludes our Earth picture test.